Rust-Oleum DIY Professional Oilmate is a multi-purpose, high-performance lubricant. Just a few sprays of this quick-acting oil will keep household tools and gadgets with moving parts functioning smoothly. From skateboard wheels to garden shears, squeaky fishing equipment, squeaky door hinges, or locks that stick, Oilmate is the answer. But that's not all. Big equipment like bicycle gears and chains, electrical contacts, lawnmowers, and outdoor motors will all benefit from this long-lasting, silicone-free lubricant. And an easy-to-install applicator stick helps you oil up those hard-to-reach spots. There are so many reasons for choosing Oilmate. There are multiple features and benefits. Spray, protect, prolong. One can does it all. All you need is Oilmate.